Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Christina and I do not usually sound like this, but I am getting over being sick and still do not have my voice fully back. But I wanted to film this video to show you guys everything that is in the spring knowledge crates and for you to get an opportunity to enter into the giveaway to win one of these knowledge crates. What's really exciting about this giveaway is that Knowledge Crates has teamed up with me to give away not only one, but 2 boxes for you and a friend that you tag on the Instagram post where you'll enter for the giveaway. If you're not familiar with Knowledge Crates, it is a seasonal, thank you, Gia.
You're welcome.
It is a seasonal subscription box that is full of seasonal activities for kids ranging from pre-K all the way up through school age. There are science activities, nature activities, art activities, literacy, math. It is just packed with amazing stuff. They also have mini crates that are more themed crates that are smaller versions of the seasonal crates, and there are tons of those to choose from on their website. Today I'm going to show you the differences and similarities and everything that's in the spring pre-K crate and the spring school age crate. And then if you follow the link in the description box below, you'll be able to enter to win one of these boxes for you and a friend. So if you can bear with me through my barely hear voice, let's check out what is inside the knowledge crates. Okay, so I'm going to start with the preschool crate. And I did take a peek, but I did not fully open it up. Okay, so of course you have your activity guide like you do for all of them. And this really breaks down each activity, the materials you need to pull out from the box, the process, learning goals, extension activities, questions to ask. So you can really take this as deep as you want. Then this comes with a bunch of books, so Rainbow Fish and the Big Blue Whale, Honeybees, which is perfect for spring. I'm really excited about this one. One is a Piñata, a book of numbers. I love that it's including some second language resources. Stone Soup. This is one that I've heard of so many times and cannot believe we haven't read yet. So I'm really excited to read this one. And then we've got The Whole World in Our Hands. This is another one that looks really interesting. I love the multicultural aspect included so far. So it looks like we have a little froggy tray, which is going to be super fun to do the activities with. So we have some count and clip cards, some spring style count and clip cards. A wooden birdhouse, so that's going to be super fun. We get lots of birds and feed the birds, so really excited about that. In here, there are wooden alphabet letters, water beads. Looks like there are some rubber worms, dry erase marker. So if it calls for dry erase marker or anything like that, it always comes with it. It has some sensory tools, black glue, interesting, and catching flies. It looks like this is some sort of probably math game. This looks really cool so far. Then Play-Doh Accessories. These look really cute. That's one of our favorite activities in the knowledge crate. And then anything you need, like even cups to put paint or different materials in, it's always included. If you need paintbrushes, they're always included. Looks like we have some clothespins. I'm thinking these may be for the count and clip cards. Some spring Play-Doh colors. Here's our spring Play-Doh. Ooh, we have some life cycle cards. We love doing life cycle stuff. So it looks like we have turtles, bees, and ladybugs. That's going to be perfect for when we do Exploring Nature with Children weeks that focus on those. This looks interesting. I wonder if this is the fly catching game. There are quite a few cards there. Always bonus art materials, which is pretty cool. Grass heads. I wonder what we're doing with those. Interesting. We have spring shapes. Spring scavenger hunt. And I love how so many of these things are laminated so you can use them over and over again. Spring yoga. This looks like a lot of fun. So some movement activities. Oh, and some potting soil. So I wonder if we're actually growing some grass. That would be pretty fun. And we have a turtle. We have some finger plays. That's pretty cool. And then we have some tracing. So spring months. We have number tracing. A spring I Spy. Okay, here's the Catching Flies frog mat. And then, ooh, we have wooden paintbrushes this time. I love these. These are definitely an upgraded paintbrush this time. That's awesome. All right, that looks like that is it for the preschool crate. Okay, so here is the preschool kit all laid out. Just wanted you to be able to get a good look at all of the materials laid out before I open up the school age crate. And then here is the school age crate. Okay, again, I did peek, but I did not open the whole box up. Again, we have the spring activity guide. It is also not exact. Some of the activities will be the same or similar, but many of them are completely different. And then let's see what we have for books. All right, we have the BFG. We have Snakes, Rosa Parks, Aesop's Fables, and again we have Stone Soup. So out of all the books, just one similar book in the pre-K and school age crates. In the school age crate, we also have a wooden birdhouse. Looks like we have some poster paper, some model magic, a ceramic flower, which I'm guessing will probably get painted, and then also some rubber worms. And again, we have the included cups for whatever activities require that. We have another set of Play-Doh accessories. What? Make your own pile and then you'll bring it up and put it away, babes. Thank you. Gia's over here doing laundry.
Yeah, I've been doing a lot of chores.
Yes, you have. You're doing a great job. Again, we have our spring paint colors, spring Play-Doh colors. This looks like maybe this is going to be a journal of some sort. I'm guessing maybe a nature journal since it's for spring. In here we have another one of those sensory tools, some basket weaving materials, bonus art materials, more of those nice wooden paintbrushes, dry erase, more of the black glue, water beads, and then it looks like that's it in there. We have some state cards, a silly pen, that's fun, some more spring shapes. Again, we have the life cycle cards, ant, ladybug, turtle, and bees. More of these. We have spring yoga again in this one. We have the spring scavenger hunt. We have a state quarter search. That looks like fun. We have a turtle activity. We have a US map. And we have a story map. So great for breaking down literary elements in any story. I love that this, again, is dry erase. You can use it for all different stories. So that is everything from the School Age Crate. Let me lay it out neatly and I'll give you one last peek at all of this. Okay, so here is the School Age Crate all laid out. This is one thing I didn't see that was underneath everything, a wind bag. So I'll be interested to see what we do with that. So books, materials, you can see that some of them are the same, but then some are different, more age appropriate. And then this is everything laid out. So all of this to right here is your preschool crate, and then all of this is your school age crate. And it looks like a lot, but it's actually way more than it looks like when you get into the books and start realizing how many activities are really included with all of this. All right, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed seeing everything that was inside the spring knowledge crates. I am so excited for you guys to win and get to try these out. If you enter over on Instagram, come back here and share with me down below in the comments that you entered for extra entries if you comment in both places. If you want to go check out Knowledge Crates, or if you don't end up winning, I always have a code for 15% off your seasonal subscription, and that is Rooted15. It's always linked in my description and always linked in my bio over on Instagram. If you're not already following me over there, it is linked down below for the giveaway, but it's at Rooted_Home Life. I love to share more day-to-day life over there, things that we're doing, family life, all of the things. So if you're not already subscribed here, click the red subscribe button. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, comment down below. I love to get to know you guys. I share lots of different things here on my channel, from unboxing to homeschooling, curriculum, faith, motherhood, family life, all of the things. I also want to share with you that there is a science mega bundle going on right now. You can also check that out over on my Instagram. If you're unfamiliar with mega bundles, you get a ton of printable resources from a bunch of different creators for a deeply discounted price, and they only sell for about a week or two at a time. So definitely check that out if you're interested. I'll link that down below as well. And then I also am part of a virtual homeschool conference right now that is in the launch phase still, where you can get access to the conference, which is 40 different speakers, including myself. And I do not sound like this in the conference video, but the launch price is a special $25 price for the ticket. It gives you a year access. It comes with free printables and planning pages and so many amazing resources. That is going to be $25 until March 7th. So I'll link that down below for you as well if you want to check that out. There are always exciting giveaways and things going on over here at Rooted Home Life. So I would love for you to be a part of this community. I hope to see you soon in one of my next videos. And until next time, stay rooted. Oh.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that.